What are you doing? Are you walking? Are you going to try a floor transition into the kitchen?
I guess so. We got that little diaper bag. The first time she crawled over there, she jiggled and jiggled. It was something new.
What are you talking about? That was awesome walking! That was awesome walking! Are you walking with your puppy? Are you walking with your puppy? Let me see. Show me some steps. There we go. That's great. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. That's awesome walking. Good job.